What a beautiful park.
Hello.
Hello.
Nice morning, isn't it?
Yes, it's lovely.
Please come closer.
Hi, my name is Emma.
I'm Liam.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Is this your favorite park?
Yes, I come here often. It's very beautiful.
I'm glad you like it.
Me too. That's great.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
That's nice.
Where are you from?
I'm from Boston.
Wonderful.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Which school do you go to?
Green Valley School.
That's nice.
Thank you.
What do you like to do?
I like reading books.
I like drawing.
That's wonderful.
Reading is fun.
Yes, it is.
Is that an English book?
Yes, it is.
I like English books too.
Really?
Yes!
That's amazing.
Do you come here every week?
Yes, every Sunday.
Maybe we can meet again.
I'd like that.
Great!
See you next Sunday.
I'm happy to meet you.
Me too.
We're friends now.
Yes, we are.
That's nice.
Absolutely.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Have a great day. You too.
You too.
See you soon.
See you.
Goodbye, Liam.
Goodbye, Emma.
See you again. See you soon. Take care.
Have a wonderful day.